Hey guys, we are here at Condo Canyon Cove Beach Resort in Batangas. And kakarating lang namin, we booked this condo via Airbnb for only 23,162, good for 16 packs. And if you're looking for a perfect gateway na medyo private, may beach vibes, and super sulit for barkada or family trips, so this vlog is for you. So this is the living room, super cozy, aesthetic, and perfect for chilling. And we've got a comfy sofa here. Malambot yung cushions and sakto yung space niya for family bonding. Pwede kayo magkwentuhan, manood ng Netflix, or kahit mag-snack man lang habang nagre-relax. So this is the kitchen area. Compact pero complete. May stove, refrigerator, and complete utensils. Pwede kang magluto ng sariling meals, which is nice kasi mas feel mo yung staycation vibes, parang nasa sariling beach house ka lang. So, they have also 2 bedrooms, and this is the bedroom 1. Super comfy ng bed guys, malinis, relaxing, and perfect for a good night's sleep after swimming. Honestly, ito yung tipo ng kama na parang ayaw mo nang bumangon kinabukasan. And ito naman ang kanilang bathroom. So pagpasok mo, simple lang siya pero neat and organized. Merong sink and shower and hindi siya masikip. Sakto lang yung space para comfortable ka gumalaw. So ito naman ang kanilang bedroom 2. Simple, clean, and super relaxing yung vibe. With double bed na din siya, so perfect talaga sa family or barkadas. So, ito naman yung table nila at syempre, hindi mawawala ang mga foods. Syempre, hindi lang yung food ang importante dito, yung bonding din talaga. Kahit simple lang yung handa, basta sama-sama. And ito naman yung balcony nila, and this might be my favorite spot. Yung balcony or bakuran area ay napakaganda. Paglabas mo, makikita mo yung pool and calming lang na parang nature vibes lang. Perfect for morning coffee or late night na magmuni-muni. And okay guys, andito na tayo sa pool area. Grabe, ang ganda ng view and super relaxing ng vibe dito. Grabe guys, ang sarap lumangoy dito. Parang lahat ng stress nawawala habang nasa tubig ka lang. Favorite ko lang talaga mag-floating dito, huminga, and enjoy the moment. Perfect for unwinding talaga. Kahit konting swimming laps lang or kahit play-play lang sa tubig, sobrang saya na. At lalo na, first time mag-swimming ng aming baby, talagang nag-enjoy din siya. Ang sarap lang sa feeling no, na ganito, relax, happy, and kasama mo yung family mo sa isang safe and fun moment. And ganito naman kaganda ang beachfront nila at tingnan nyo naman yung white sand, clear. And super calm lang ng waves, parang ang sarap lang tumambay dito all day. Imagine mo lang sunset walk dito, sobrang romantic and peaceful na ng vibes. Or kahit dito ka lang uupo or tatambay, titingin sa dagat and mag-isip-isip ng life or wala lang. Talagang mag-enjoy ka lang talaga sa moment. So here, nag-swimming na rin kami sa beach. After 3 years, now na lang talaga kami nakapag-beach ng josawa ko. At talagang ini-enjoy lang namin every moment, nakasama din yung family niya. So, if you are looking a condo for staycation in Batangas with your family or barkadas outing, with free Wi-Fi, with pool and beach access, this beachfront condo in Canyon Cave is perfect for you.